Well, fighter of the year, I consider just about anybody and everybody. And my choice for fighter of the year was Gennady Golovkin. I like Gennady Golovkin because of the fact that he fought 3 tough fights in 2015. Guys today tend to fight once a year, twice a year. On the other hand, Gennady started off with Martin Murray.
Body shot, scores the knockdown as Murray goes to a knee. Tremendous right-hand shot by Golovkin. Murray sailed through the air before landing on the canvas, and the knockout streak continues.
Stopped him in 11 rounds, and just went from there. I mean, he then went to California.
Left hook, down goes Monroe. He trapped him in the corner, fired one shot to the cheekbone, and down went Willie Monroe.
You can't let Golovkin just hunt you like this.
And stopped Willie Monroe in 6 rounds.
It's knockout number 20 in a row.
And then we saw the great fight with David Lemieux.
Jab, jab. Golovkin sticking it into Lemieux's face and keeping him back.
Yeah, that jab is killing his confidence by the second.
Unbelievable accuracy for the Kazakhstan.
Oh, that body shot hurt him, Jim.
Hard right hand by Golovkin. Lemieux is hurt against the ropes. The body shot hurt him again. Steve Willis is going to stop the fight. Technical knockout for Golovkin in the 8th.
So just a great year for Gennady Golovkin. He stands on top of that middleweight division. I can't see a middleweight out there that's going to beat Gennady Golovkin right now. I think he's in his prime. Amazing year for him. I think he's going to have another amazing year in 2016.